Cardano is a fantastic blockchain technology that faces a secure and sustainable blockchain with groundbreaking use cases. According to the developers, Cardano is capable of redistributing power from unaccountable structures to the margins. But how does Cardano work? What is the price of ADA? Is ADA a good investment? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers about the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what ADA is, so be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Cardano, native token ADA, is a third-gen blockchain that is available to the overall population alongside being a DApp advancement platform. Third-gen cryptocurrencies will, in general, take in examples from first- and second-gen cryptocurrencies and enhance upon their constraints. Cardano can use new advancements throughout the years, including security, sustainability, and multiple-layer architectures to develop versatility. Cardano is the first blockchain platform to have acquired worldwide media consideration by including a companion investigated research plan into its core standards. In September 2017, Cardano made a grand entrance in the market. The venture's founders Jeremy Wood and Charles Hoskinson both dealt with the Ethereum project beforehand, but the group split from Ethereum, citing contrasts in objectives. Cardano earned a quick continuation in the crypto space because of its language and VM plan advancements. These increments were an immediate reaction to issues experienced in the Ethereum network. The platform separated itself from the opposition and started working with educators from colleges worldwide to join the peer-audited scholarly investigation into its plan. To raise finances, an ICO was performed. Somewhere around $62 million were secured from a worldwide audience of investors. The assets went to an extension of the ADA environment. Cardano effectively attempts to tackle some of the issues faced during adopting blockchain on a large scale. Cardano seeks to rein in issues such as scalability, interoperability, and sustainability by developing design principles and engineering best practices. Cardano could deal with 10 transactions per second in its initial days, but recently, Hoskinson delivered a paper clarifying another scaling answer for the network, Hydra. Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling arrangement that uses state diverts to handle exchanges off-chain. Utilizing this innovation, Cardano can measure more than 1 million transactions per second. Cardano endeavors to acquaint norms into the market with empowering interoperability across networks. At present, the platform has principles for overseeing privacy, security, and decentralization. These frameworks incorporate blockchain administration models, framework upgrade protocols, and capabilities. Ouroboros is a new consensus mechanism of Cardano. Ouroboros is a chain-based POS protocol, and it relies on randomly chosen leaders to approve blocks. Like other blockchains, the node that adds the next block receives a reward for its efforts. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform, the first to be founded on peer-reviewed research and developed through evidence-based methods. Like Ethereum, it is considered a smart contract platform, which is why the two are ultimately seen as competitors. Hoskinson's new brainchild is sometimes also called the Japanese Ethereum. Cardano had earned this name because when it made its initial coin offering back in 2017, the project raised more than $60 million, mainly from Japanese investors. ADA is the principal currency on the Cardano network, and it also is used to pay for any fees incurred for transactions. It is considered more environmentally friendly than other cryptocurrencies because of how transactions are verified on the Cardano network, but more on that a little later. Outside of the environmentally friendly Cardano currency, the Cardano network powers smart contracts and dApps. For example, developers at IOHK announced in April 2021 that they would build a platform using the Cardano network to handle needs such as escrow, operating centralized stablecoins, and tracking supply chains. In partnership with ScanTrust, Cardano tracks supply chains of physical goods to combat fraud and track ownership histories. Like many other public blockchains foundations, the Cardano Foundation is based in Zug, Switzerland. Its mission is to ensure the advancement of the Cardano protocol and the growth of Cardano's community. By shaping legislation and commercial standards, the Foundation is trying to make Cardano a success and accelerate the adoption of the entire public blockchain space. Besides the Cardano Foundation, two more prominent organizations are developing the platform: Input Output Hong Kong and Emergo. Both specialize in developing blockchain solutions and provide teams that are working on Cardano. IOHK is building the blockchain and the tools for its application, while Emergo is a for-profit enterprise focused on promoting commercial applications based on Cardano. Because of this setup, proponents of Cardano claim that their blockchain is the first blockchain platform that is being developed according to peer-reviewed research. There is also no white paper, but rather a very academic approach. Currently, these organizations building Cardano still make up an essential part of the project. Going forward, their influence will diminish more and more. The Cardano blockchain will roll out in 5 stages called eras. So far, Cardano has successfully gone through the first and the second era. Regarding the third era, the testnet for smart contracts is being launched, targeting a mainnet launch during the summer of 2021. Updates can be followed here. Although Cardano's smart contract environment is not fully live yet, there are still plenty of ways developers and engineers can already write and deploy smart contract components. Once the final era is deployed, all self-governance pieces are expected to be in place, and Cardano will have reached its goal of complete decentralization. Management will be transferred over to its community, and a voting and treasury system will be introduced that is bound to guarantee a long-term sustainable development of the Cardano blockchain. Cardano's price has been trading below a vital support level for quite some time. The short-term bearish outlook may be setting up a bottom to reverse the current trend. A recovery above the said barrier will be the key to a quick run higher. Cardano price set multiple swing lows around the $20 support level on December 4, 2021, leaving behind a plethora of sell-stop liquidity below it. On January 8, ADA sliced through this barrier and collected the untapped liquidity, signaling market maker manipulation. A quick recovery above $20 will be the key to kick-starting a massive upward trend, since it is a higher time frame, weekly support level. Investors can enter long positions at the current market level, $1.18, and await ADA to move past the $20 hurdle. In some cases, Cardano price could retest the weekly resistance level at $1.46, coinciding with the 4-hour supply zone ranging from $1.46 to $1.52. The $1.35 resistance level is where traders can start offloading their holdings. Other levels where market participants can scale their profits include $1.39 and $1.42. For traders that want to minimize their losses, the stop loss can be placed just below the January 8th swing low at $1.12, yielding a 4RR risk-to-reward trade. If not, the stop loss can be placed comfortably below the $2 to $19 demand zone's lower limit. This setup, however, reveals a 1.55 RR trade. According to the Wallet Investor Prediction Algorithm model, they forecast an ascending and upward year in ADA's price, finishing the year by breaking the previous all-time high of $3.03, having fewer returns than 2021. Other analysts expect that this bull run will continue next year, having a new ATH for Ethereum and Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But nobody can have certainty. In the crypto market, anything can happen. However, one thing is true: 2021 has been an important year for the Cardano ecosystem with its upgrade, and has been the year of DeFi and NFTs. Let's hope 2022 will be the same or better as the global crypto adoption continues. Remember that it still has a long way to go before you sign on to your digital currency trade and spend your hard-earned money on Cardano. For instance, Ethereum has smart contracts fully operational, while Cardano desires to dispatch them soon. Smart contracts are self-executing bits of code that let clients set conditions on payments. They are at the core of numerous blockchain applications, which is the reason around 2,800 applications as of now utilize Ethereum's organization. As per the state of dApps, that is about 80% of the application market. For instance, you will get 5 ADA if you give that person a copy of your ebook. It's early days for all digital currencies, and for investors, it may very well be hard to isolate publicity from substance. Cardano adopted the gradual strategy, implying it has an extreme stage yet missed the main mover advantage. It desires to carry out wise agreementability not long from now, which will be a significant trial of its innovation. Watch this space intently. In conclusion, the Cardano cryptocurrency is currently going through an all-time high and is expected to surge to a greater extent soon. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on ADA? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.